So I'm here in this beautiful country to work with your coaches, and I've done 2 fantastic sessions already on coach development, how to help them upskill within themselves. You know, we heard earlier from Nicole that better federations make better athletes, and I fundamentally believe better people make better coaches. Now, we heard some great things today about the Learn to Swim program that's already in motion here, that every child gets an opportunity to learn, and that, you know, that they're your champions of the future. So the foundations are here. Coaches are motivated, they want to produce champions, so I think you've got a very exciting future.
Hi, I'm Dylan Carter. I'm a 3-time Olympic athlete from Trinidad and Tobago. I'm here with World Aquatics on beautiful Aruba. We had a lovely meeting today discussing the importance of developing sport culture and ways to improve homegrown talent and develop sport and coaching in Aruba. I think that aquatics is a sport with massive potential in the Caribbean, and as an athlete I love to see the other islands doing well and at a high level, and being here in Aruba I see the passion for aquatic sport, and I hope to see it continue to grow and develop and have more high-level athletes come out of Aruba in the future.